want to know how to unblock someone that blocked you. Why is this such an issue? Why do you need a tutorial for this? Well, if you search up this person and he blocked you, his Instagram account won't pop up for you. So how do you actually go ahead and still unblock this person? Because there's a quote I found online and it basically says that true friends are never apart, maybe in distance but never in heart. I guess that's not true now, is it? Because you blocked each other. Like this video if you want to get a true friend within the next 7 days, and make sure you share this video to your next 50 friends or a dinosaur will stomp all over you. Remember those spam messages you got? The chain spam? This is it. This is your moment. And also, do you want to grow a business from social media? And do you want to learn some really good Instagram tips and tricks? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel with bell notifications on. And also, just for everyone that's watching this video, I'll have a free guide on how I grew from 0 to 10,000 followers. I'm actually at 13,000 right now. You can see my stats here, 200 followers yesterday. It's all included in a free guide in the description down below. No webinar, no waste, no BS. Okay, so how do you do it? So first of all, you actually need a phone. Hooray! Then what you gotta do is, I'll use 3 accounts, but you actually need 2. In our situation, we'll use 3 because the third account will be the account will block my profile, Dr. Niki from. So go on my personal account right here, and when I do that, I'll search for Dr. Niki and block myself. Do this, block, done, block, donezo. So now I block this profile. So now that I've blocked Dr. Niki, I'm back on Dr. Niki, and if I search for Niki for my profile, right, I can't see it. Like I just can't. And if I've blocked myself from this account as well, I just cannot unblock it now. So how can I go ahead and fix this situation? You need a third account to do that, and I'll use this account for this instance. So what you go ahead when you start the DMs, you add both of these accounts. So that's drniki.co and Nick, the other account. You start a chat and you type in something like new, and then what you can do after that is, as we saw, Dr. Niki cannot find Niki, the other account, my actual personal account. So therefore, if he blocked it, he cannot unblock. So what you do here is actually switch Dr. Niki, and let me show you again. If I type in Niki, the other account, right, you cannot see it. But when I go on my DMs right here, click on requests, I can actually see this chat. I can accept it, go on general, and look at who's here, the person that actually blocked me. And if I actually blocked him, it will say a block message, which you can just click on and remove the block. So that's how easy it is. It's pretty easy, gotta tell you. And if you stayed so far and have any issues whatsoever, just comment down below. I reply to every single comment. Just try me, I'll reply to your comment. And also, if you stayed so far, I've got a special treat for you. I can shout you out. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below, drop it down below, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. And we've got a bunch of, I do mean it, we've got a lot of shout outs for this episode. Let me show you right here. Let's start with Mazira Ladis, 2 accounts, Mazira Squarepants and Mazira Ladis. Then we have Terry Peterson, who says, great post. I always wonder how to do this. You're a lifesaver. Well, thank you. It's really rare to see something nice on this channel. How to save videos from Instagram to camera roll. That's the video he actually liked. Then we have Jay Tao, who has the account Sport Tales, and actually shouted him out on my Instagram account as well. If I forgot, Jay, DM me on Instagram, I'll shout you out again. Also, if you just comment something nice, you can also say what your Instagram account is about, so that people have an initiative to check you out, right? If I like your account, I'll also shout you out for free on my Instagram account in the stories as well. Bloom Social Agency, Anna Shoemaker, it sounds like Schumacher. Then we have Devin TV, and we've got a special shout out for her because look how nice she was with us. I have been I'm talking like Smeagol with us, with me. I have one personality. I have been following her for a while now and have learned so much from her. This is the video about Vanessa Lau. It was like in September, so that's like 8 months ago. I'm not lazy, but there are days I lack inspiration, and these videos help me with that. Thank you for sharing this. Hope to get there one day. I feel the same way. Sometimes I need something more than coffee to get my day going. I believe you can get there. Just be consistent with your gig and improve your skills. Thank you. This means a lot to me. And then I said I'll shout you out on a video in a week, and I was just planning to just shout her out, just say the channel, but then she said that she'll prepare some videos, and she actually did this video, 3 things to not do in order to check her channel out. She has, I really like her her thumbnails. I think she can work on the font a little bit, but she's pretty consistent. These are all videos within the last month, so that's pretty good. She's getting 70 views on some videos. That's like, it took me a while to get to 70 views, so definitely help her out. Check her YouTube channel and decide for yourself if you wanna subscribe to her or not, but I guess you should. Good video, please give me a shout out. Okay, but you never said anything. Or it's the YouTube channel, Stranger Tavana. Then we have Crossover Cases is my Instagram. I own a business, I'm 19 years old, would love to grow my Instagram. I actually checked this guy's cases out. He DM'd me on Instagram. I really like them. Love your beats. Keep the grind. Also, can you shout me out? Ibrahim Achponi. Of course I can. Then we have Jamie XS. You make some really good points. First 100 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 10, but I was at 10-30 subs a month a few months ago. Keep grinding on. Keep the grind on. And that's actually true, because I was gaining like 30 subscribers a month, then 50, 70. Now it says 400-ish, but I'm on track for 500 or something for the next 30 days. And I really hope we can get to 1K. So it gradually increases as you are consistent, so keep at it. Then we have The Straight Path Official. Again, shout it out again on this YouTube channel. And you know what? Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial advice, and this is definitely no medical advice. Don't sue me, bro. By the end of this video, you need to click on this video or this video, or you know, you gotta click on one of those. Now, I said now. Bye.